Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about the types of fractions. A fraction has two parts. One is called the numerator and the other one is denominator. For example, in 3/5, 3 is called the numerator and 5 is the denominator. For example, in P/Q, P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. Always remember that the denominator should not be 0. Is not equal to 0. For example, in P/Q, always Q is not equal to 0. Now let us see what a proper fraction is. Proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction that has numerator less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. For example, in 3/5, the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 5. The numerator is less than 5. This is an example of proper fraction. In this example, the numerator 6 is less than the denominator 10. Therefore, it is also an example of proper fraction. In an improper fraction, the numerator is larger than the denominator. For example, in 10/3, the numerator 10 is greater than the denominator 3. Another example is 11/4. In this, the numerator 11 is greater than the denominator 4. So this is an example of improper fraction. Now let us see what a mixed fraction is. A mixed fraction is a fraction that has two parts. One integer part and a proper fraction. For example, in 3/5, 3 is the integer part and 3/5 is a proper fraction. This can be written as 3 plus 3 over 5. This example, 2 over 3, 2 is the integer part and 2 over 3 here is the proper fraction. So a mixed fraction is a fraction that has an integer part and a proper fraction. Let us learn how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Take, for example, 10 over 3. 10 over 3 is an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. Now, to convert an improper fraction to mixed, a mixed fraction should have an integer part and a proper fraction. So, divide the numerator with the denominator. Here 3 goes in 10th 3 times, which is 9, and the remainder is 1. So this can be written as 3, the integer part is 3, and the remainder 1 over the denominator 3. Now this improper fraction is converted to a mixed fraction which has an integer part and also a proper fraction. Similarly, we can convert, say, 15 over 2, which is an improper fraction that has the numerator larger than the denominator, to a mixed fraction by simply dividing 15 with 2. 2 here 7 times, that's 14, the remainder is 1. Therefore, the integer part is 7 and the remainder is 1, and the denominator is same, 2. Therefore, this mixed number, this improper fraction, is converted to a mixed number that has the integer part and also a proper fraction. Now we'll see how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. For example, 3 over 5 is a mixed number. This can be converted to an improper fraction which has numerator larger than the denominator. So this can be converted to improper fraction by multiplying 3 with the denominator and using the same denominator plus the proper fraction, which is 3 times 5 is 15, the same denominator, plus the proper fraction part of this. Therefore, you would have 15 plus 3, 18 over 5. Same way, can be converted to improper fraction by simply multiplying 4 times the denominator over denominator plus the proper fraction part of this mixed number. Now we have 12 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Since the denominators are same, you can conveniently add these two. 12 plus 2, which is 14 over 3.